Hello everyone, welcome to Feed My Recipe. Today I'm gonna share black eyed peas salad, which is super healthy and protein packed salad. I hope everybody will love this recipe. So let's get start today's recipe. First I'm going to start with medium size of red onion. I'm going to finely chop it. You can use white onion even, but I like to prefer red onion for my salad. Then it goes to in a mixer bowl. Here I have taken medium size of carrots. I'm going to chop it same like onion, and it goes to also mixer bowl. Here is medium size of cucumber, cut it half. Then I'm going to move with the core part, and then I'm going to chop it same like onions and carrots. Here is I have one medium size of tomatoes. I'm going to chop it same like cucumber. There is a different kinds of tomato. You can use any kind of tomato, like salad tomatoes, cooking tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomato is special for salad. You can use it. Here is I have some fresh cilantro. I'm giving it finely chopped. Goes to in mixer bowl. Here is our main ingredient, black eyed peas, which is I have already boiled and kept aside. I'm just adding medium bowl of black eyed peas. Now let's prepare for the dressing. Cut the lemon half, then squeeze it properly. I'm just taking the half part of the lemon. Some crushed black pepper. You can add also chili flakes if you want, but I'm adding black pepper. Then goes pure olive oil. Actually I love pure olive oil for my salad. Then goes salt to taste. I'm going to mix it well. Then I'm going to pour it over the salad. Give it nice toast. This is the super healthy and high protein packed salad. Is ready to serve now. You can try this recipe, enjoy with friends and family at home. If you like this recipe, please thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe our channel. If you have any questions, please leave me comment section in the below. Stay connected. Till then, see you in another recipe. Bye bye.